morning, everybody. I'm hitting the road again. I am picking up 2 metal stools for $15. It's a Facebook Marketplace find, and I have a way of using the stools in the home office area of my reno. So, watch and see, but I'm glad I could get the stools for cheap. Oh, I hope I'm not going to be late for pickup, but I didn't realize there's going to be this much traffic. Okay, mission accomplished. I picked up the stools. The girl was cool. I was a little bit late because of the traffic. I hate being late for anything. Anyway, so I'm gonna hurry back to the rental cottage and I can show you what I have planned in my head. But first, we have to get coffee. This is my go-to Starbucks in the neighborhood. They always ask how my renovations are going. Isn't that cute? Yeah, they know me. We're back. I'm gonna go in here. This is too much of an echo. I was searching high and low for the appropriate desk for the bedroom. I couldn't find one. I looked into my usual vintage area, and I didn't find anything that was appropriate. I wanted something that could take up most of the width of that little nook in the bedroom, but I looked at some of the modern stuff, and all the modern stuff is pretty much MDF particle board. I mean, they'll say, oh, it's real wood, but it's really just the legs. So I just didn't think that the longevity of that piece would really work for me. Also, tenants are going to be using and abusing the furniture, especially the workspace. So I want to make sure it's something that I can maintain and I can make it look fresh every time. Here is the bedroom. I have new door handles that I want to use for the closet. I have an idea how I want to maybe put something inside these doors. I'm not sure. Something decorative. Okay, so over here is that little nook. What I did was I went to Lowe's because I've always admired the butcher block section. And this butcher block has that chevron pattern that I think is so pretty. And then I already had these stools at home, but they're counter height. So they're too short for what I wanted, but I wanted to test out the general concept, and I love it. So I just needed to get the bar stool version of these shorter stools, and I did. And I wanted to show you the difference in the height. So I got 2 of these bar height stools. I've always loved these because they are, you've seen them around, but they are so sturdy and they're perfect for what I need in this project. I need them to be very sturdy table legs or desk legs. So I wanted to show you the height of these ones, just so if you want to do this at home, you need to get bar height stools. These measure 30 inches tall, basically. So you want to find bar height stools that are between 28 and 30 inches tall. The wood that I'm using, the butcher block, is 1.5 inches thick. So it's actually a perfect height and comfortable height for a desk. All right, so I'm gonna take advantage of my friend Joe coming here. He's putting in the sink, but I just wanna ask his opinion. I don't want him to do it, I just need his opinion on the best way to attach this stool underneath that butcher block. Let's swap out the shorter stools with the taller one. Let me just take off the wood, it's not too bad. Okay. I don't want to scratch any of the wood. That's a good contrast. So this is what we want. Bar height stool at 30 inches tall as opposed to the counter height stool, which measures 24 inches tall. Okay, here is the difference. All right, cool. All right, so I've convinced my friend Joe to help me, or at least instruct me on how to properly attach these stools to the butcher block. stay tuned. All right, here's my friend Joe, begrudgingly on camera. So Joe, what is the approach? Because this is a thick piece of wood.
I have these screws there. The kind of screws you would use if you were putting in metal hangers, so they're structurally sound. The drill is the same length as the screw, so I'm going to pre-drill through the metal.
How many screws in total?
I mean, you're going to use the chairs to move the
table.
The table, so let's just put, I would put 4 in.
Yep. How long of a screw are those?
They're 1.25 inches.
So you want, if people are doing this, you want to have a long enough screw.
I like this because it's going
well secure
into the table.
Yeah. Joe, this is exciting. The measurements were correct.
You're not going to fit it. All the way down? Or
I don't know. I'm not sure. And then this is my mark for that.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah. Because I'm going to put a shelf there. So it doesn't make any...
That's really cute.
How are we doing here? Should I put a little bit more to the right? Yay, Jill, thank you so much. Oh, it feels so good. To me, this is a beautiful place to study or a beautiful place to write. The sun's coming in. All right. So this is a good beginning. Of course, I'm going to be styling this little niche up. I'm waiting on shelving. I'm waiting on some artwork. But I'm just so happy with the way the desk looks. All right, sitting here and doing work here, because I've never actually lived in this unit, the light is fantastic. This little desk, I'm sure will be great for any home office work, but it's also so nice to do your makeup where there's natural light coming in. That's it for Nutshell Living, but stay tuned next week where I really will be able to do a bigger reveal here in the bedroom. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you next time right here for more small space tips and tricks. Bye.